What if you could work anywhere? Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, we're all about getting your time and getting your financial future back on track. Just think, what if you had a job or a business that you could do anywhere in the world? Well, I got just the perfect thing for you. It's called affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is where you're selling other people's products. There's nothing for you to keep up with. There's no products for you to have to maintain, keep up, store. You're not dealing with customer service. You don't have to deal with returns, any of that stuff. All you're doing is promoting it, driving traffic to it, or maybe you're thinking about a Shopify store or something like that. But just think, you can do all this from the beach, from a boat, anywhere that you have internet connection and you can have a laptop or a tablet. You can do this anywhere. You don't have to stay home, sit in your living room and do this. You can do it anywhere. That's why it's such a great business to get into. Not only is it that you can do it anywhere, but you don't have any products. You're not dealing with customer service. You're not dealing with the aggravation of keeping products or buying it, shipping it. And it's just an all-around great business model to be in. And just think, you could be sitting on the beach, you, your family, your kids, and you could be doing it. I said you could be by the pool, and you could be typing away, checking some things out, and give it about work on it about an hour, close the laptop, and go hang out with the family. Now, don't that sound like something that you could be interested in? Hey, with everything going up, what could you do right now with a couple extra $200-300 or even maybe $1,000 a month that you could do right now with that money? Could you use it to buy this high dollar gas, help you with your groceries, help you with your bills? Everybody can use extra money. So why not start your own business and be able to do it anywhere you like to do it? So if this sounds like something maybe you're interested in, and if there's something and it's something we can help you with, hey, just click the first link in the description. We will get started today. And just remember, you need the training. We don't do cut and paste. So we're not going to give you something where, hey, this is cut and paste, because the only people who's making money off that is the people that you're cut and pasting from. So this is 100%. You learn it, you do it, we teach it, then you take those skills and you can just keep going with it. Promote as many products as you want. You can do anything under any niche, because once you learn the skills, they're yours to keep. Nobody can take them away from you. That's not like some of these other jobs where, they pull the rug underneath you. It's gone. This one, you take anywhere, because like I said, you can do this anywhere you want. But just keep in mind, if we can help you in any way, don't hesitate to reach out, click the first link, and we can help you. Now, if you're already in affiliate marketing and you're struggling, maybe because you didn't get the training or you got the wrong training, hey, we can help you with that too. I said, we can take what you got and help you build it. So, if you've already got started and you just need that extra little motivation and to push you, because a lot of it is mindset, where maybe you're still an employee, not an employer, and you got to get in that mindset to where, hey, this is my company. I'm running this. I got to put my time in, got to put the effort in, and because that's important. No business runs itself. The goal of this is, once you get it all dialed in and it's just cruising, that this thing turns into passive income where you're just working on it maybe a few hours a week, and you're getting up in the morning and it says congratulations, you just earned a commission. That's what you want to see, because when you get up in the morning and you see that, it's a good day. Your hard work that you put in the back is starting to pay off. But you need to put the work in the beginning, so later on you got it made. Just remember, affiliate marketing is, there's no products to keep up with, there's no shipping, no customer service. That's why I think it's one of the best things out there to get into. I'm not much on doing all the crypto stuff that you see a lot of people do. That's a little risky right now with the stock market. So, I would be, kind of, but this, you're going to sell stuff that everybody else already wants. So, it's just a matter of driving the traffic and get it there. And we teach you all that stuff. I know you're saying traffic. What's traffic? But we'll show you all that. And like I said, if you're already in affiliate marketing, but you're struggling and you need some guidance, you need some help, hey, don't worry, we're here for you. Just remember, click the first link in the description. We can get started today. One other thing, I put out videos on a weekly basis, and also I'm on TikTok and Instagram and Twitter. Check me out on all those at RiddlesBendMedia, and don't forget to hit share and like and subscribe and hit the little bell icon, because that way you get all my notifications that when I do it on a weekly basis. And I'll see you next week.